that crappie. See what he got right there? That's right. Wow. Yeah, buddy. Shallow. I tell you, I've found these fish up shallow. Water temperature looks to be 61, 62 degrees. So they've actually moved up into the shallows. And so if you're out looking, that's where you need to go. I see a lot of people doing some other things and they've not been doing well. And but at least they're, you know, able to catch a few. I think I caught I believe it was 12. And some was smaller. Threw them back. Caught a catfish. Threw him back. They seem to always get on there. But then I've got 7 really nice keepers back there. So I just wanted to share with you, I caught them all on the Slab Happy Lures. The two baits, Slab Happy Lure, 2-inch Happy Shad in the black and chartreuse. Let's see if I can get one out and show it to you real quick. Show you what I was using here today. Black and chartreuse, Happy Shad. It's the 2-inch Happy Shad. Can you see that right there? Let me get back on the screen. There we go. The 2-inch Happy Shad. You see that? Right there? Yeah. Black and chartreuse, got the black body, chartreuse tail. That's my favorite, I guess, bait that I have the most confidence in. But then also, I've got his Renegade hair jigs, and I tell you, he does a great job on these hair jigs. Let me see, this one right here. I don't know what color this is, but it has a chartreuse and white and green head, but it's got the orange body on it. Can you see that right there? Yeah. There's the head. And I tell you what, they absolutely love that one, white and black. So, where you going, Nick? Catch me. Dang it. Look right there. See that in there? Yeah. Look down the mouth of that. Slab Happy Lure right there. Black and chartreuse. All right. That's just a beautiful white crappie right there. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, nice. Boy. Fat. Come on up here. Goodness gracious. Look at there. That Renegade hair jig right there. Slab happy lure. That's right. Let's go get us some more. Looks like a good one. Man. A little too small. Come on, baby. Up we go. Yeah. Oh. Another slab on that renegade jig right there. You see that? Look there. Slab happy lures. You go get you some. Great baits. Some good crappie. There we go. Nice one. Come on out there. Oh yeah. Black and chartreuse this time. Well, we've had a good day out here on Douglas today. A good afternoon, I'd say. We got here about lunchtime after the rain had quit, and able to spend about 4-5 hours out here. They were all caught from 5 foot to 10 foot, from 5 foot to 10 foot. They were, you know, in the water column there. They were up on cover, but they were getting close to the bank, or right in the bank. I think they're getting ready to spawn soon. Anyways, just wanted to share that with you. Please like and subscribe. I appreciate all my viewers. I don't have that many. I'd love to get more. So maybe if you could just share this around, you know, tell somebody about the Crappie Preacher. And you know, we're gonna go fishing together. We're gonna catch some crappie, okay? We're gonna have a good time doing it. Alrighty, God bless y'all, and I'll see you next time.